Good morning, good morning. How is everyone? Hello, Kumar. Hello, Daniel. How are you? So, I'm in this trade long, stops to break even already. I've taken a TP on this. Looks like it's gonna get stopped out. Not so excited about that part, but yeah, looks like it's gonna get stopped out soon enough. But yeah, whatever it is. So, initially in the morning, I was basically being a bit bullish. I was expecting price to kind of go inside of this new week opening gap and bounce out of there, but it did not play out as I expected. The market just decided to turn around and do its own thing. And yeah, now it's just gonna stop me out on break even with 1 TP. So I'm down -1 hour for the day as of now. And it's a very good rejection from the new week opening gap. So I'm going to keep my eyes on once the market opens. Do we try to go back inside of this? If not, if the price is below it, it's bearish. The more bearish it is, the better. I mean, let me just take this one away. How do I detach this tab? Detach. And yeah, I want to keep this gold tab on the screen so that I'm aware of what's going on gold as well. And yeah, lovely. So yeah, I mean, the market's a bit. It did not play in my favor the way I wanted it to play. Just reversed on me, and now I'm just trying to see if I get an opportunity to enter the trade on the other side. That will be on the short side. Bias for today is very simple. If we stay below new week opening gap, I'm bearish. If we go above it, I'm bullish. Don't want to complicate it or anything as such. It's just simple bias, simple theory, and I'll see how it goes from there. Cool. Let's quickly look at where we are on higher time frames as well. Let's get rid of all this crap. So this current candle is looking like a good rejection, at least as of now, from this daily fair value gap right over here. So keep an eye on this. If we keep extending downwards, I don't see any areas, where we can start bouncing from, because this was supposed to be the turtle soup. We basically swept, retested, bounced. And in this sort of price action, you expect the price to keep going higher and keeping the momentum that it has created, right? But if we lose that momentum, then you can expect new lows to be created. We haven't, I think, gone properly into the discount sorry, into the premium of this range. We just clipped the 50%. So I would say, yeah, I mean, this could be enough, but I would love to see sweep of these highs in the coming week. So yeah, that's one thing. 4 hourly is looking okay right now. I'm not going to call it bearish. All I would say is that, okay, we have multiple fair value gaps. This is the first one that we are testing. We could not break it the first time. 37 minutes to go for market, for this candle close. Can we do it now? Possibly we could not. Like it all depends on how this market plays out. So yeah, just keep your eyes on this. Just make sure that you are not, overexposed to the market right now. 90 minutes. 90 minutes is looking bearish. Confirm bearish. What a rejection from this candle, from this fair value gap. That's a beautiful, beautiful rejection. And obviously, 1 hour to go to closure. Market's gonna open in 8 minutes. This candle could completely invert and just close over here, or it could close down here. So as of now, I think I'm already tipped out of the trade. Yep, I'm out of this trade. So this is out of the way. Nice partial TP, but now I'm out. So yeah, just keeping my eyes open. Let's quickly look at gold as well, because gold, I feel I took a trade on gold, a short, and it got stopped out. So this is the first trade of the day. Got stopped out. Now, expectation with gold is very, very simple. I feel gold wants to go higher now. It's just the way the price action is playing out, that way we are respecting that new week opening gap and trying to push higher. I feel gold wants to go higher to the equal highs that it has put on the 4 hourly chart. Now, if we can propel through and reach the targets for this 6 hourly back-to-back fair value gaps, I think a new all-time high will come into picture. You still need to keep your eyes on it. You need to be sure that, okay, this is what the market wants to do. But the more I look at it, the more it feels like it wants to go higher. After initial thought that I had, okay, we can be bearish, but yeah, proved wrong completely. Looking at the 90 minutes on gold, good consolidation right now. It's a pennant that's forming. So very good consolidation right now. Once we break out of this consolidation, I think we'll get the targets to the upside or downside. So if we fail, we'll basically be going down to these lows straight. If we are able to break out of this, then you'll basically have this as a target, and that should basically take you to around $4,400 overall. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how the market open treats us, and we'll take it from there. Cool. Daniel, all good, and I'm good. I'm good, Dan. Nick, hello. Nick, welcome back. Couple of days of break. How do you feel? Iliada, hello. And yes, so cool, guys. Feel free to put your questions in the chat. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Lovely. Let's go back to NQ and see what it's trying to do. I've got this. I was basically doing charts for the book, and my fair value gaps are now colored for some reason. They look good. I like that color. But yeah, the book is coming through nicely, and we should basically have it by the end of this month. So it will kind of, the book will basically have all the information that you guys really need to be trading from the perspective of how I trade. But obviously, there is a massive difference between mentorship and the book. The mentorship is us holding hands and walking together kind of thing. A book is like, I'm giving you the map. You can basically decide which way you want to take. So it's going to be fun how people use it with their own trading and make themselves better and all that. But yeah, it's just a different way to kind of learn. And it all depends on how good you are at learning overall. Cool. Lovely. All right. So yeah, let's keep an eye and see what happens here. And then we can make a decision on how we want to trade. Markets are about to open in 4 minutes time. Let's look at some long-term trades that I'm in. So good price action has been happening on some of the things. So this one I never got the entry, so I can remove it now. I think this is out of the way now. This one, nah. Ooh, nah. Nah, nothing, man. Nothing. Everything is still stuck. This is already gone. Remove it. Yeah, fine. Good. Good expansion on this. Final TP is coming closer. This guy is just gonna be stuck in this forever and ever. Never going to come out. Alright, I'll take a TP on this. I think this looks good now. So if we are to look at this, this is the protected low. So I'm gonna move my stops to here and take a TP on this. I'll just do it later on. So I'll just mark it and take a TP as well on this. So yeah, looks good. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go NQ. I want to see what happens here. Like, do we go out of this fair value gap and you don't sustain outside? If so, then maybe think about long. If we can get rejected here, that will give me a good place to take a shot from. So yeah, just keeping my options open. Just keeping my options open, guys. Let's see what the markets want to do. We just need to keep our eyes peeled and open. All right. How many people are there today? Nice. Guys, if you're not subscribed and if you're new, please subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. And if you are subscribed, then please like the video. It does help push it a little bit, I think. If people who are watching, they like the video, it helps push it out. And the more it pushes out, the more money I get. The more money I get, the easier for me to hire more people. The more people I hire, the better the community becomes. You know, it's just like, it's a domino effect. So your one like, which does not cost anything, can make a domino effect which would result in your trading getting better in the long run. See, it's just quick maths. Liking the rejection, but I don't know yet. Like, I want to see the first couple of minutes to play out. I mean, on the downside, I know what I want to target, but I just want it to kind of give me that confirmation. Hello, Neha. Is it Neha or Nehad? Yeah, if you can confirm, that would be nice. Neha or Nehad. Like, Neha will be an Indian name, so I guess you're an Indian. If it's Nehad, then I don't know which country that name belongs to. Neha. Hello, Neha. All right, all right, all righty. So I like this. So this is nice. That way from where it is bouncing is nice, but obviously until this candle closes, it gives a confirmation. There is no trade. In simple words, it's just speculation till the time that doesn't happen. So you just wait. You let the market do its thing. See, this is why it was speculation. That until that candle closes and shows you that, okay, this is what I wanted, it's all speculation. Once it closes, then yeah, then you get an opportunity. So these equal highs were crucial. So they have been swept now. So let's keep an eye. Where is the previous day low? Where is the previous day low lying? Let's see. Oh, it's way below. It's down here. Well, only if we could go there. Or maybe we would go there. But right now we are sweeping the London low. So that's going to be fun to see how the market reacts. Is it going to be a classic sell day or a classic, reversal day? We'll get to know very soon. So as we are sweeping the London low, and we are literally sweeping it pre-market, so we could expect a reaction. On the other hand, I think gold is also sweeping something, maybe. Gold is basically going back inside of this massive triangle. So it will try to see, if it can break out on the upside. So let's give it time and let it play out. But gold that's a beautiful looking candle, but it can get rejected from here. Honestly saying, yeah. So 15 seconds to market open. Let's just look at the London low gone, completely wiped off, and now we see whether we push or we reverse. Gold is pushing with power, and there is the market open. So again, I think today is going to be very simple. If we can invert this fair value gap, I'll straight away long. I'll not wait for it. If we invert it, I'll long. If we can't, then we'll have to see what happens. So just keeping my eyes on whether we invert it or we get rejected. Because gold also is pushing towards this resistance, So this could be a good area of rejection for gold as well. So I just want to be sure that both the markets are in line. So yeah, let's just keep an eye on this fair value gap, guys. What you're really waiting for is, if it's a rejection, a change in state of delivery. If it's not, then we basically want to see a closure above this. A closure above this will basically give us, I think I like this color. I really like this color. I'm going to keep this as my, go-to color for boxes on stream. So if we close above this, it will basically give you a good long to play. So it will basically look something along these lines. Very, very wide stop, but I think it is what it is. And you will be targeting Asia highs. So somewhere around here, that will give you 2R. So that's good. But yeah, you still need to wait for a confirmation of a closure above this order block, which has basically taken London low. So once that happens, then you can maybe take a trade. So yeah, just wait and watch. Just let the market do its thing, and you will get your opportunity when the market is ready to give you your opportunity. Gold is still trying to rush. Where is it? It's literally on that area, that nice pennant that we were talking about. So it's about, if it wants to break, it has to break with power. It cannot be like touch and, come back inside. It has to be like the next candle basically takes all this liquidity and closes above, something along those lines. That's what you want to see on gold to take a long position. And over here, you are just waiting for an inversion of this order block into a breaker block. But as of now, it's a beautiful, beautiful sell. You're just waiting for a confirmation, guys. It's a confirmation game right now. By the way, I'm not looking at comments. Sorry. Hello, Daisy. There's no comments. Nobody cares about asking any questions. They are all just reading price action. Which is good. Which is good. I like it. I like it. That's the way I like it. I like it. So just holding on and just waiting. I'll not take any shots straight away from here. Even if I'm planning to take a shot, it will most likely be below the New York AM low. So nothing above it. I'll give it time to play out. And the long position, as I said, it's above the 2-minute order block. Nothing in between. I really feel we'll get a good opportunity. It's just about waiting and letting the market do its thing. And we will surely get a good opportunity. So let's wait and see what it wants to do. Nothing to see, nothing to do. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, cool. Nothing yet. Just waiting. No confirmation yet, guys. Still waiting. There's nothing that we can trade yet. What is gold trying to do? Gold is getting rejected from that, but till the time we are above this fair value gap, it's still bullish. Once we come below this fair value gap, that's when the market will be more on the bearish side. So yeah, just wait. Let it do its thing. So NQ has closed above. Is this the 2-minute closure? Yes. Okay, I'm going to take a trade on NQ. Let me just take it first and then I'll just tell you what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm in NQ long. Entry is over here. Stops would be under this candle's low. I'm not going to put it under London low. I'll put it under this candle's low that is created, this candle's low that was created. And I'll aim for 2 hour. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a half risk trade. It's not a full risk trade. Reason being, we are still trading under the under the new week opening gap. So I don't want to over risk, but I want to kind of have a feeler position because of the order block and the liquidity being taken. So if it wants to reverse, it's fine. It will go down and it will stop me for 0.5 hour. But if it decides to go up, that's fine. I'll get 1 hour in total realized PNL. So both sides I'm happy with. I'm okay to kind of make the 2 hour or lose the 2 hour, lose the half hour or make 1 hour. But yeah. So it's trying to push and gold is not able to sustain yet. I'm looking at it on the other screen. So let's see. Where does gold really wants to go though? Let's see. 5-minute chart I want to see. So there's this fair value gap that is it's trying to form. 18 more seconds. Okay. That could be the area there where it wants to bounce from. That's fine. So good closure as of now on this 5-minute candle. My TP1 will be these highs. That's where I will take TP1, nothing before that. I feel that's the only area where you can kind of say that it's a TP area. Before that, it's just normal, market price action, just letting, you have to give market enough room to maneuver. And the thing is, you can't even move your stops yet because if you get a fair value gap, yes, you can move your stops up here. But till the time you don't have that, there's no way you can move your stops on this trade. So yeah, just wait and watch. So just letting the market do its thing, chilling. Gold is trying to come lower, which is good, which is kind of putting us in a good correlation with risk on, risk off. So just looking at that, just making sure we are in the right position. So gold is right now trading inside of that, and it's also have created that first 5-minute fair value gap. So just keep an eye on this area as well. If gold is supposed to bounce, it's supposed to bounce from this area, and yeah, just keep your eyes here peeled, because NAS is not going to like if gold pumps, and to save myself from that, what I am going to do is I'm going to let it sit and let it create a new high before I basically decide to do something. Okay, let's see the order book quickly. Okay, nice push, nice little push. I really wanted to create a new high. If it does that, then I can move my stops to basically break even and just let it go. You know, I don't want to micromanage it, but I don't even want to leave too much on the table, because obviously I'm not having a great day, right? I'm already down 1 hour for the day. So I just want to be sure that, okay, if the market is moving in my direction, it's moving with power. It's not just chilling around there. So yeah, which happened to us, right? It sometimes the market will do like this. It will try to go up, but then fail to propel through some levels and then just reverse. So I just want to see a bounce, a nice closure above. If we can't get it, then I'm stuck. But if we do, then I'm good. Or even if I get a 5-minute closure, confirmed 5-minute fair value gap over here in 1 minute, then also I'm happy to move my stops higher to this low, this candle's body. So that will give me confidence that, okay, now the market does not want to, if the market inverts this fair value gap, it's basically going down then. So you're just making decisions as you go along. So yeah. Gold is giving it another try. You want to see if gold is bullish, it should not close below. This candle should try to push higher. If it is bullish, this candle should basically close somewhere around 50 60, like $2 higher. Yeah, like that's like just one more push, I would say. Oh, sorry, wrong. Okay, I'm gonna move my stops to 5-minute low. Just reduce my risk and most likely take a TP as well. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stops to here and take a TP. Okay, TP done. Stops are up. So even if I get stopped out, it will be a break-even trade now. So just to reduce everything, just want to make sure that I'm not losing anything in this trade now, because this is the area where it can get reversal. This is the area where you'll be like, okay, the market should keep pushing higher instead of trying to come lower now. My gold stop has also triggered, so that's good. Sorry, TP. Cool. Nice push. Come on, push it. Order book is bullish, by the way. I mean, a reversal here does not make sense to me. The order book is looking good. Imagine it just reverses completely. Oh, by the way, I'm not looking at any questions. If there are any China orders, all banks to reduce US Treasury holdings, yeah, let them do it. Nobody cares. Nice. I think US also doesn't care. US is like, fine, do whatever you want. So 3 minutes to this candle closure. The thing is, with this candle's closure, if we leave another fair value gap, which is a tiny one over here, we'll get a target up top. So something to be aware of. If we leave this fair value, oh, there's no fair value gap anymore. So sorry, there's no target up top now. I'm just trying to see if I can go break even on this or not yet. Not yet. Can't do break even yet. Have to let it go through. Guys, any questions, anything? Can you use the wig block for target? You can measure the wig block to get targets. Yes, why not? But I mean, I'm not gonna do that though. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go break even on this trade now, like literally now. So if we get a rejection here, I do expect so new SL will be break even. Just go break even. Don't leave any risk on this. Let me go break even on my gold trade as well. Cool, lovely. So gold is coming back inside. Right now I've put my stops just under this candle. So 5050. I don't want price to come below that. If price comes below that, then yeah, I mean, that's basically a fake out. So I don't want price to invert this fair value gap and come below this. So I was in a long and I've put it over here now. So yeah, that's why I was monitoring gold today, because I basically wanted to be sure. So I've taken one TP on that and then just moved SL up. So I'm on the safe side. Tin, 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 tin. Confirmed. Stops put. Oh, by the way, the price is different because this is futures and that is on Vantage Markets. So if somebody is smart enough to notice that there was a difference in price, it's basically because of CFDs and futures. Not liking the price action, man. It's stalling at true day open like this. This is like this is the area where I would love to see price propel through instead of stalling. I mean, if you'll ask me, I love it to just smash through those areas, but it's fine if it stalls. It stalls. You can't do much about it. Cool. Any questions? Anything? Should I close my gold long? It's above. Yeah, I mean, gold is. It's looking good. I'll be very honest. Until you're trading above this fair value gap right over here, I think you're bullish. The moment you come below this fair value gap and inside this range again, that's when I will be like, okay. And also, like, you're going to be retesting these equal highs right now. So you want market to just propel through them quickly. If you can do that, then it's fine. Just be in the trade. Go higher with it. If not, then I think it's going to just reverse very aggressively. Cool. Just holding on to this small little friend of ours. Again, the SL is just break even, guys. I let it sit there. I'm trusting it to bounce from, if it's supposed to bounce, if it's supposed to be bullish, it's going to be from these areas. Yeah, just like my 2 cents. It's all about how price went to where it went and where it is returning towards. So if it's supposed to be bullish, it will not invert this fair value gap at all. It will just come down, retest, and then just propel through it quickly. So you're just seeing what price does in a specific area to make a decision. I think this is going to be stop out on NAS, and gold is okay-ish still. I think gold might have a bit more legs than I feel. Gold might still want to go higher. But yeah, NAS is looking like it wants to go lower. So I'll manually close the NAS trade, or maybe I'll let the stops do their thing instead of manually touching it. I'll just let the stops stop me out. And once I'm stopped out, I'll most likely enter a short straight away. Cool. Let's see any questions from anyone. China creating FUD in US session. That's their fucking job. Which country ever likes the other country to do well? They all just hate each other, don't they? It's like we all hate each other kind of thing from these countries. Always. It's not like just now or it's always like this for them. So just letting gold, I'm just letting the stop loss be where they were and let it play. For this one, I'm just waiting to be stopped out. And once I'm stopped out, I will basically wait for an inversion of this one, this fair value gap right over here. Once that happens, that's the only time I will think of a short position. Till that doesn't happen, I'm just going to stay flat. I mean, just in the gold long, that's it. So still not stopped on NAS. It's still trying to keep me alive in the trade, which is good. I like you, NAS. Thank you for keeping me alive. Oh, it wants to bounce now. Yeah, stop still at break even, guys. Nothing changes there. Market open, fake out, lol. Haha. What to consider? Okay, this is a good question. What to consider if we are to re-enter any missed trades, please? So when you miss a trade, right? What you consider is the second entry is basically some other sort of entry model that's playing out, Gomez. Until and unless you're getting another entry model that plays out, you cannot think about a re-entry. It's like you're asking for trouble if you jump into a trade when the entry is already gone. You need to have you need to have the right risk to reward. You need to make sure that you have another entry opportunity to take the trade. Otherwise, you're just gambling, nothing else. Americans say that you okay, cool. All right, so nothing changes here. There's no change that I can make. We are already break even. I will let the market do its thing. If we basically it stops us out, then enter a short, as I said. And if it just keeps propelling higher, that's great. It gives us an opportunity to be in the market longer. But nothing changes from stops perspective. There's no other place where we can put our stops yet. And in regards of gold, if people are in some sort of a gold trade, so I am in a gold trade, my stops are right now over here. And I'll basically say that don't be aggressive and don't move them over here yet. 4 hourly candle closure is coming, and the 4 hourly closure is beautiful, right? As of now, we are trying to break out of this pennant structure. And if we have successfully broken out, what we are going to do is we are going to, if the 4 hourly, let's say, closes outside of this pennant, right? If the 4 hourly decides to close outside of this pennant, it will most likely come down to retest it. You don't want to be stopped out at that time. So I would say don't move your stops. Just keep them there. You have clear indication and clear targets up top. So yeah, the rest it's up to you. For me, I will keep it open until I can. Still not stopped. Oh man, this fucking mask is so itchy. Oh, hate this mask. I like it as well. Cool. No questions, no nothing. 28 people, 10 on Twitter and 18 on YouTube. So people who are on YouTube and you don't subscribe to me, why don't you subscribe to me? It doesn't cost you anything. It's a click. If you click, you make me happy. You make everyone happy. If I'm happy, then I make nice jokes. If I make nice joke, it makes your day. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you're not on Discord, please do join. It's a free Discord. There is no hidden charges. Just join. Yeah, chill. Good people there. Some assholes. Others are very good. No, everyone's good. And yeah. Gold is trying. It's trying its level best to sustain that fucking break. And this guy is trying to stop me out, but it's not able to. I think it's gonna stop me out now. Yeah, this fair value gap has stood its ground. So this is gonna be stopped out for sure now. So let's see. Any other question? Join. We are a zoo of we are a zoo of traders. That's so true. So it would be a new trade setup altogether. And yes, it's a totally new trade setup when you're looking for a re-entry. So if you are entering without a proper new trade setup, all you're doing is trying to be like, oh please God, take me with the price. You don't do that. You just wait for a new setup to form, and it will form. It will give you another opportunity to enter the trade. Not on the same way. It's just going to be a different, like a order block retest or a fair value gap retest, some liquidity sweep, coming back into the OTE, and then taking a trade from there. So you will get something or the other. You just have to be patient enough to let the market tell you where it wants to go. Most of the people make that mistake that they enter prematurely and they ejaculate prematurely as well. The only way to control both the problems is to do meditation, to trust the process, and be patient. You don't have to be aggressive. I just solved two problems with the same solution. Premature ejaculation and entering premature entries. All right, so this doesn't want to turn around. It's just playing around with us. So I'll let it play around. If it keeps going higher, that's okay. Good trade. We'll take the TPs. If it reverses, well, it is what it is. I'll get 0.25 hour and my losses will remain to 0.75 hour then for the day. I mean, gold has already recovered most of it, but I'm counting it because so when I say these are my losses for the day, it's basically my live trading. That means either I was trading with the mentees and I lost some money during those sessions, or I was trading live with you guys and I lost some money during those sessions. So when I say this is my loss and profit for the day, that is more about the live session profit and loss. Over the course of the day, I end up taking a lot more trades, and I keep their P&L apart, separate, so it doesn't confuse everyone. And if I am counting them in, I'll always tell that this was a trade I took later or something. So yeah, like if I'll see with my gold trade, I'm already up around 1.5 hour for the day, but I'm not counting that in. Nice, nice, nice. So gold is trying to push again, and I think it should continue pushing. It should not stop now. Any sort of halt in gold push is going to result in my stops being hit. So I will basically just wait and see how we react right over here. So I want it to come down to 5052 max and then just bounce from there. So that is what I'll be looking for. If it comes any lower, that would basically mean that it wants to just go back inside and then starts its journey towards the downside. So yeah, just letting you know what I'm thinking. And Nasi is just stuck. Nasi doesn't want to do anything. Nasi boy is stuck. Number winter, it's go marching. Okay, cool. Let's see. Again, it did not stop. So I moved my stops a bit higher on gold. Not too much, just a little bit. So on gold, I've now, if you are still in a long, just for people who are trading gold and not with me, they have their own trades from somewhere. I'm just telling you where my stops are so you can get some sense. So I've put my stops under this low now and moved it up from here to here. So just a tiny bit, but the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want it to go there. If it stops me out, that's fine. I'm quite happy with the gains, so I'll not be too worried. But yeah, that's where my stops are now. And Nasi has still not stopped us. It's still bouncing. So yeah, we'll let Nasi do what Nasi does. Chill around for the next 40 minutes and then just decide that it wants to stop us out when we are away. When I'm going to go to the washroom, it's just going to go down, stop me out and just go down straight. I don't have a good relationship with Nas nowadays. She doesn't like me much. I don't like her much. Alrighty. Good sweep and let's see. Good push. Liking it. We have inverted that fair value gap now. Now I would expect Nas to keep pushing. First aim would be push above true day open. Second aim would be previous day high and then onwards. Onwards and upwards. Everyone. Let's dance. Damn, Nasi. Come on, push it. Good candles on us. Gold on a bull flag, right? It's on a pennant, yes, not a flag. It's on a bullish pennant right now. So for NAS, I'm going to move my stops up to here, just below this fair value gap now. So my stops are up here for NAS, and I'll basically let it run, let it do its thing. Good push, Nasi. Come on. Okay. Cool. We have another TP area. This will be the TP. Once we hit this area, I'll take a TP and most likely move my stops to this candle. So I'll just move my stops to this candle's low. 25 160. So stops to 25 160, please. And yeah, let it run. Let it do its thing. Gold going down now, I think. I'll let it go down if it wants to go down. What's the worst it will do? It will stop me out. My stops are already very high. To be honest, it should stop me out in the next 1 or 2 candles if it decides to go lower. Because I'll move my stops to, yeah, last this whole cluster of lows just to be nice to gold. Is there anything else where I can move? I like this area. This cluster of lows look good to me. Yeah, I moved my stops up on gold further. So if it stops me out, it stops me out. That's fine. And it has stopped me out. So I'm out on gold. And yeah, now gold is out of the window. I'll just concentrate on Nasi. Dun, dun, dun. So Nas, I'll just let the stops be here. Don't want to move them further because I want to see a bounce. Like we are leaving multiple back-to-back fair value gaps. And if we are doing that sort of a thing, then I would expect it to respect them and just bounce from them. And yeah, let's see. But yeah, guys, that's how I'll manage. I mean, like our stops are in profit now. So just manage it. I would say take a TP right over here, then a TP, final TP will be up here. And let the market do its thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think that should be good for the day. Yeah, 53 minutes. I'm tired. Can't breathe. So just to repeat, if you guys haven't been on Discord, please join Discord. It would be great to have you all there. The link is in the description. And subscribe to the channel, guys. It's always great to have you guys subscribing. And like the video if you can. And anything else that you need to do? Not really. Have a chill day. Enjoy yourself and take care. Bye.